One of the most common ways I see clients get into financial trouble is through unnecessary spending that drags their budget down. This year, as people go through their finances, it's a good time to focus on where your money is going and stop spending on things you don't need. In this video, we will talk about the top 5 money wasters. So, let's get started. Number 1. Annual credit card fees. There is no justification for paying yearly credit card fees unless you have a bad credit history. Numerous Visa, MasterCard, and Discover cards are available without an annual fee. But many people spend $100 or more a year to be able to use a high-end credit card. It's simple to get sucked into this never-ending financial storm and become helpless. Number 2. Using the latest technology. It's strange to see people spend outrageous sums on the newest technology every year, even when you know they're struggling financially. You might have the funds to purchase the latest iPhone, but you cannot afford it. People who take good care of their possessions get more enjoyment out of them for longer lengths of time, saving money on repairs or the initial cost of replacement. Number 3. Pointless bank charges. Many people unknowingly spend large amounts of money in fees to their banks. Spend a few minutes finding out what charges your accounts are subject to if you are unsure. The purchase would be best made with a credit card. Review the guidelines that apply to your checking and savings accounts once more. Additionally, think about merging your bank accounts into one larger account to avoid multiple fees that could otherwise apply. Number 4. Gambling. Gambling can be anything from going to the casino to buying a lottery ticket. Sure, the potential of inserting a dime and receiving $50 in return sounds fantastic. But what will you do if you win even a small amount of money? You enter a casino believing it to be your fortunate day, but before long, you're leaving with less money than when you entered. You can still visit the casino despite this, but you need to confirm 2 things before. First, you have the means to visit the casino. The mere fact that you have money in your account does not imply that you can afford to gamble with it. You should also create a budget. Take $20 to the casino. Once you spend that money, get out of there. Number 5. Donations. This isn't easy to hear, but there are many well-known charities you donate your money to where the charity doesn't see half of the money you gave. Part of this is because of the fees the system takes when they process the payment. The other part of it is some of the money goes to paying the staff instead of where you want the money to go. This concludes the video for today. I hope you enjoyed this video. Don't forget to subscribe to this channel for more updates. Thank you for watching.